Hello all, welcome to Studious Wondera. In this video, we shall see unboxing and installation of Samsung 970 EVO Plus 1TB SSD. Also do check the description to see various related videos. You can make this new SSD as a bootable disk without losing a data. And also there are multiple videos to do performance benchmark testing, diagnostic scan, over provisioning and performance optimization of this new disk. Before making the purchase, make sure to check your motherboard model and ensure it is compatible with the NVMe SSD disk that you are about to buy. Though this disk is much costlier, it doesn't come with a screw to install it on the motherboard. Make sure you have the right size screw before trying to make the installation. Most of the motherboards have this screw fitted by default. Do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon if this video is helpful to you. My system has a Gigabyte B450M DS3H motherboard which comes with M.2 slot, as you can see in this video. Insert the new NVMe SSD disk with around 30-degree angle into the M.2 slot. The screw needed to tighten this SSD was already available on my motherboard by default, but as the screw size is little small, it was little challenging for me to tighten it. Once the disk is properly installed, then you can make use of Samsung Magician application to check the disk status and also perform various operations on the disk. All the related videos are in the description. You will also find a link to download the Samsung Magician application in the description. I cloned the existing disk to this new NVMe SSD disk and made this as a bootable drive. The related video is also available in the description. As the disk is not yet used and no operations are yet performed, you do not see any data now on the display window of the Samsung Magician application. But once you start using it, these values change.